A recent Supreme Court ruling has created a firestorm of debate over the broadening scope of presidential immunity. The decision, which declared that presidents have significant immunity from prosecution for their official acts while in office, has profound implications for former President Trump and raised extreme hypotheticals among his opponents. The controversy began when Representative Zoe Lofgren, a Democrat from California, questioned if President Biden could use this newfound immunity to dispatch the military to take out conservative Supreme Court justices. This was in reaction to the court's ruling in Trump v. United States, which has left many Democrats infuriated. The ruling was described as a significant departure from historical norms, granting presidents broad protections that some fear could be misused. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, in her dissent, painted a dramatic picture, arguing that under this ruling, a president could potentially order assassinations or engage in criminal acts without facing prosecution. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson added a hypothetical where a president could poison a cabinet member and be immune from prosecution, further highlighting their concerns. On the other side, constitutional law expert Jonathan Turley explained that while criminal charges against a president might be difficult under this ruling, other checks and balances, such as impeachment and federal courts, remain in place. This perspective aims to reassure those who fear the ruling grants unchecked power to any sitting president. The ruling has also provided a strategic lifeline for former President Trump, who faces multiple criminal charges. His legal team is gearing up to use the new ruling to challenge evidence in his cases, including the Mar-a-Lago classified documents case and the 2020 election subversion case. They argue that many of Trump's actions, now deemed official acts, are protected under the Supreme Court's new parameters of presidential immunity. This could potentially weaken the cases against him and delay proceedings. President Biden and his campaign have taken a critical stance against the ruling, warning that it undermines the principle of no one is above the law and could pave the way for a potential dictatorship if Trump reclaims the Oval Office. This stance comes at a time when Biden's leadership is being questioned within his party, with calls for a stronger candidate for the upcoming election. Amidst all this, public opinion remains divided. A recent USA Today Suffolk University poll reveals significant dissatisfaction with Biden's performance, with many Democrats considering a change in the party's nominee. This ruling has only intensified the debate, as both Biden and Trump prepare for potential showdowns in the upcoming election cycle. In summary, the Supreme Court's decision to expand presidential immunity has sparked widespread controversy and fear of potential abuses of power. As both parties strategize their next moves, the ruling underscores the fraught political landscape and the high stakes of the coming elections.